If you have catalogue debt and are looking to lower your interest rate and monthly payments, then you might be asking, can you transfer catalogue debt to a credit card? Well, you've come to the right place, as I'm going to answer just that today. First, let's discuss how catalogue debt works. Catalogues allow you to spread the cost of purchasing a wide variety of goods over time. This means that you can buy items that you need immediately without having the full amount of money that the item costs. However, the interest rates for catalogue can be much higher than credit cards. Some catalogue interest rates are charged at up to 40% a year. This means that an item costing £100, if you paid it back over a year along with the interest payments, you would end up paying £140 for an item worth £100. This leaves a greater amount of time for you to possibly come into financial hardship and perhaps be unable to make your monthly catalogue payments. So, can you transfer catalogue debt to a credit card? The answer is yes, you can. By transferring your catalogue debt to a credit card, you could benefit from a lower interest rate and fewer monthly payments, making it easier to keep track of your debt. If you already have a credit card, you can check what interest rate you're paying on that card and compare it to the interest rate being charged on the catalogue debt. If the interest rate on your credit card is lower, you can check with your bank to see if you can use the credit card to pay off your catalogue debt, therefore transferring the outstanding balance owed on your catalogue to your credit card. If your bank does not allow direct balance transfers from catalogues, you can still check if the interest on the cash withdrawals is charged at a lower rate than your catalogue interest rate. In these cases, you can borrow the money from your credit card and use those funds to pay off the catalogue debt, in effect transferring your catalogue debt to the credit card. However, many credit card companies, especially those with zero interest rates, do not allow you to transfer catalogue balances directly onto a credit card, so applying for a new credit card may be the solution. Late payment on catalogues can negatively affect your credit rating. In cases where you stop paying your monthly installments and are unable to settle the debt with the company can apply to the commercial courts for a county court judgment, CCJ. A CCJ could have a more serious impact on your credit rating. Transferring catalogue debt to a credit card could be a good option if you're looking to reduce your interest rates and simplify your monthly payments. However, it's important to do your research and make sure that you're making the best decision for your financial situation. If you're struggling to pay debts like catalogue debt, then there are a number of other options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and start taking steps towards improving your financial situation.